Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed some laws of Boolean algebra. What are the laws we learned in the previous class? So these are the basic gates. Based on these gates only, we are getting some of the laws here. Okay. So here, if you are taking AND law, that is related to which operation? A dot B. A dot B. Okay, ma. Based on that, we are having theorems. Okay, ma A dot 0 equal to 0, A dot 1 equal to 1, A dot A equal to A dot A bar equal to 0. Okay, if you are taking OR law, what are the laws for this OR gate? A plus 0 equal to A plus 1 equal to 1. Okay, ma. A plus 1 equal to 1. Remember this. A plus A bar equal to 1. A plus A equal to A. Actually, in mathematics, we don't get these values. These are belongs to logical laws. That's why here we are getting the answers like this. A plus 1 equal to 1. Okay. These laws will be getting from the truth table only. Okay. From the truth table. From this OR gate. Okay. So next complement inversion law means the main one is A bar equal to A. Okay, Amma? A bar equal to A. That means if you are complementing 2 times, then that will be equal to the same variable. Okay. Next one is commutative law. That is A dot B equal to B dot A and A plus B equal to B plus A. Commutative law. Okay. Up to this completed in the previous class. We draw the table and we draw the symbols also for this. Okay, ma. The next one is associative law. What is associative law? A dot B of dot C is equal to A dot of B dot C. Okay, ma. First, we are doing AND operation between A and B. This combination is doing AND operation with C. That is equal to, first we are doing AND operation between B and C, and A is ANDed with this combination. Okay, ma. Now we are proving how to this. We justify this. For justifying any law, we draw the truth table. If you draw the truth table, then we are getting the same values for LHS, that is, this is LHS, and for RHS. Then we justify that theorem. Okay, ma. So see here, take this. A dot B dot C is equal to A dot B dot C. Okay, draw the table here. But here we are using 3 variables, A, B, C. So how many combinations we are getting? How many combinations we are getting? Totally 2 cube. 2 cube. That means 8 combinations we are getting. Okay, Amma? See here. Remember, if we are using 2 inputs, that is 2 variables, then we are getting 4 combinations. Those 4 combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Whenever we are using 3 variables, then totally how many combinations? 2 cube. 2 cube means 8 combinations we are getting. What are those 8 combinations? Already we learned these combinations from 0 to 7. Okay. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1. Okay, ma. Take LHS here. For doing LHS, this is LHS. Okay, this is RHS. For doing LHS, A dot of B dot C. That means first we are taking the value for B dot C. B dot C. That means AND operation is done between B and C. This is B, this is C. Do the AND operation here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. AND means like multiplication. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, ma. B dot C. Now, what is LHS? A dot B dot C. Okay. So here the variable A is there and B dot C is here. Okay, ma. So now take the AND operation between these two. 0, 0. What is the answer? 0. Okay. Next 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Next 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Next 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, ma. So this is A dot B dot C. Okay. Now take RHS. To do RHS, first we are calculating A dot B. Okay, ma. First we are calculating A dot B. If you understand this truth table, in the same way we are doing for any law. Okay. First we are calculating A dot B. Here A is there, B is there. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 0. That means 0. Okay. Next 0, 0. That is also 0. Next 0, 1, 0. Next 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Okay, ma. Now A dot B is completed. Now that will be ANDed with the C. Okay. A dot B. Are you understand how to draw the truth table? Based on the expression, based on the operation we are taking. Okay, ma. A dot B dot C. Okay. Here A dot B is here and C is this is C. Okay. Now take the AND operation between these two. 0, 0. What is the answer? 0. Okay. Next 1, 0, 0, Next 0 0 0. Next 1 0 0. Next 0 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, 0, sorry, here this 0 1 0 1 C is 1 and A dot B is 1, so 1. Okay, ma. Observe these two, A dot of B dot C, this. Okay, A dot B of dot C. Are you get the same result here? Both are having the same. Okay, ma. So in this way, this law justifies like this. Okay, ma. Are you understand? If you take the symbols, how to draw the symbols here? A dot B dot C. That means first we are writing B dot C. That means this is AND operation, AND gate. Here this is B, this is C. Okay, this is A. Okay, ma. So A dot B dot C. Are you understand? First B and C are taking as inputs, then the output is here B dot C. Okay, now A is one input, B dot C is another input. So what is the output here? A dot of, are you understand how to draw the symbol? How to draw the circuit, logic circuit here? Okay, Amma? So this will be A dot B dot C. So this is completed. Now this will be A plus B of plus C, A plus of B plus C. Which operation here? Which operation is doing? OR operation. Okay, Amma? Here we are doing OR operation. The same, just ikkada here plus. Instead of dot, we are taking plus. Okay, Amma? Similarly, we are doing the same. Okay, this is also similarly OR operation is performed. First we are doing A plus B, that is OR operation with C. Next here in RHS, first we are doing B plus C. OR operation is performed between B and C. For this combination, OR operation is performed with A. Okay, ma. So this is associative law. Next, distributive law. Okay, ma. Distributive law. See here, A dot of B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C. Okay, ma. A dot of B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C. If you observe here, AND operation is a dot operation. Dot means AND operation is performed, and plus means OR operation is also here. Okay, ma. Combination of AND and OR. Okay, now we are doing this. Okay, are you understand this? So now we are taking the distributive law. Okay, Amma. What is the first one here? A dot of B plus C equal to A dot B plus A dot C. Now we are proving this. Okay, ma. So we justify this. How that will be means take the truth table. Okay, ma. Here we are taking three variables A, B, C. Okay, ma. So A, B, C means here take for RHS, sorry, for LHS, first we are calculating B plus C. Okay. After that, A dot of B plus C A dot B A dot C A dot B plus A dot C. Okay, ma. So for getting that, write the combinations first. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Totally 8 combinations are there now. Okay. Now do the B plus C operation now. Do B plus C. Okay. B plus C means here B, C. Do the OR operation. That means 0, 0. First 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. Okay, Amma? Are you understand? Now, A dot of B plus C. That means here A will be there. B plus C is there. Which operation is performed? Dot. Dot means AND operation. Okay, Amma? So, 0, 0. 0, 0. 0. Next, 0, 1. 0. Next, 0, 1. 0. 0, 1. 0. Okay. 0, 1. 0. Next, 1, 0. 0. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Okay, ma. A dot of B plus C. Okay, now do this A dot B now. A dot B means A is this, B is this. So dot B, AND operation is performed. That means 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0. Okay, Amma. 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0. Here also 1, 0, 0. 1, 1. That is 1. 1, 1. That is 1. Okay, Amma. Now A dot C. Here A is there, C is there. So now do the AND operation between these two. 0, 0. Okay, Amma. See the columns. Which columns we observe now? A dot C. A is one variable, C is another variable, and do the AND operation between those two. 0, 0. That is 0. Okay. 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Here we know the basic gates, truth tables, AND operation, OR operation, and NOT operation. Then only you will do for these expressions also. Okay, ma? 1, 0 means that is 0. 1, 1 that is 1. 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now AB plus AC. Here this is AB, this is AC. Now do OR operation. Plus means OR operation. So 0 plus 0, 0. Okay, ma? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. Okay, ma? See, observe here. This is LHS. This is RHS. Okay. So here, this is LHS. This is RHS. Okay, ma? See these two. Is it same or different? Okay. Both are same. Okay, ma? So now draw the circuit diagrams here. A dot B plus C. So first, this is A. Okay. B plus C. This is B, this is C. Plus operation. Plus operation means or this is B, C. Plus of B plus C. Okay. Now this is A. This is B plus C. A dot. Dot means which gate? AND gate. Okay, ma. Do you understand how to draw this circuit? A dot of B plus C. Okay. In this way, we draw LHS expression. What is RHS? A dot B plus A dot C. Now draw the circuit further. A dot B. A dot B. Suppose if this is A, B, dot operation. Dot operation means AND gate. So A dot B plus A dot C. A dot C. For getting A dot C, A is getting from here dot C. So C. This is C. This is A. Okay. Now dot operation. Dot operation means which gate? AND gate. Okay. What is this? A dot C. A dot B, A dot C. For these two, we are doing plus. Okay. Plus. Plus is there. Plus means OR operation. Okay. OR gate. Okay, ma? So A dot B plus A dot C. Okay. Do you understand how to draw this? Okay, ma? Next. In this distributive law, another law will be there. That will be, are you understand? So for each law, we draw the truth table. This is the truth table. Okay. And draw the circuit also. Okay, ma? Now, another law in this distributive law, that is, see here. A plus BC is equal to A plus BC is equal to these laws are very, very important. To simplify any expression, we are using these laws only. That's why you learn these laws compulsory. Okay, Amma? A plus B into A plus C. Okay? A plus BC is equal to A plus B into A plus C. Okay? So for this also, we draw the truth table. Are you understand how to draw the table? So you draw for this. But is this is justified or not? By using truth table, we justify. And for simplification also, we are doing the same. That means how to get this? Actually, according to the mathematics, this is not equal. Okay? Generally, if you are taking according to the mathematics, this is not equal. But here, Boolean algebra, that means depending on the logic gates, we are taking these laws. Okay, so whether this law is justified or not here, that means for that taking RHS here, is it true or not? For justifying this, take RHS. What is RHS here? A plus B dot A plus C. Okay, now multiply these two. Multiply these two. A is multiplied with A, then we are getting A dot A. Okay, plus A is multiplying with the C, then we are getting A dot C, plus B is multiplying with A, B dot A, plus B is multiplying with C. Okay, ma? So now we are getting totally 4 terms. Okay, so here take the first 3 terms. In these first three terms, which is common here? Which is common in these first 3 terms? A dot A plus A dot C plus B dot A. Which is common? A is common. Okay, A is common here. Okay, Amma? See here. Actually, what is A dot A? Here we are having theorem. A dot operation means under laws. Already we learned some and laws. In that, A dot A is equal to, if you see the previous class, A dot A is equal to A plus, same as it is, write down, A dot C plus B dot A or A dot B. Both are same. Commutative law. Commutative law. By using commutative law, A dot B equal to B dot A. So both are same. A dot B plus B dot C. Okay, ma? So here, which rule is used here? If you are using any law here, that will be represented compulsory. A dot A is equal to A. That will be used here. Okay, ma? That will be used here. Because here, instead of this A dot A, we are taking A. Now, see the first 3 terms now. What is common? A is common. Okay, A is common. Now, if A is taking as common in the first term, the remaining value is 1 plus A dot C. A is taking common, the remaining value is C plus A dot B. A is taking as common. The remaining value is B. Okay. Plus BC. Okay, ma. Here 1 plus C plus B. 1 plus C plus B. If any variable are added with 1, then what is getting? 1 only. OR law. In OR laws, we learn this. What is that? Since, are you remember? A plus 1 is equal to 1. If any variable is doing OR operation with 1, then we are getting the answer as 1. Okay, that is same here. 1 plus, instead of A, C plus B is there. Okay, so 1 plus C plus B means here, based on this theorem, here we are taking 1 plus C plus B is equal to 1. Okay, ma, compulsory you write the theorem also. Okay, so A dot 1 instead of 1 plus C plus B, we are taking 1 plus B dot C. A dot 1 means, what is that? A plus B dot C means BC. Okay, Amma? Are you understand how to simplify, how to justify this? This is equal to LHS. Okay, Amma? Are you understand? So how to draw the tables here? How to draw the circuits here? A plus BC. Already we know. A, this is A plus BC. BC means this is B, this is C. B dot C. That means under operation. Okay, ma? If you draw number of times, then you will understand this. Okay? This is B, this is C. From the next class onwards, we will some faster. Okay? So A plus BC. That means here, from here A, from here BC. So which operation? Plus operation. Plus operation means or gate. Okay? A plus BC. Okay, ma? Next to RHS, A plus B into A plus C. How to do this? A plus B. That means OR gate. Sorry. This is A. This is B. This is C. Okay. A plus C. So here also OR gate. Okay. A plus B into A